Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we're going to feature someone new on our Jamaican country. So today we're going to react to Love Bites. So this is actually my first time knowing who are these people. I'm not sure who are they, what they're capable of, but I'm eager to learn. I'm eager to carry someone new on our island. But one question, do anyone who's watching this video knows the legend Bob Marley? Please let me know down in the comments and we'll see how well and how much of fun you are to Bob Marley. So guys, without further ado, let's take a walk into this Unchained by Love Bites. Action. Oh, they are females. Well, well, well. I do like any form of songs, any form of music when it comes down to female with energy, right? I do really find that sexy. So let's continue. Contains female, right? Which they are called by LOVEBITES, that is their stage name, and they are giving so much love, so much energy, so much reception when it comes on to the guitar, the music playing. I'm all in. I am all in. Wait. I am not ready for this yet. This is something I'm not qualified for. Okay? So I guess this is not in English that much, but I can hear a little English. But let's take our time and read some of the captions. Right? So this caption says, right? Open your eyes and you can see the place you've imagined for so long. I guess this is a very great quote, but I want to experience more from these women. Lie, bro. I ain't gonna lie, right? They are really good when it comes on to guitar playing, right? Rock and roll, drumming. Nowadays, I've realized that I'm encountering a lot more females when it comes on to drumming. I'm not seeing much men because I've known a lot of older bands, right? Such as the Rob Stain and so much more. Those are all men. But fast forward back into the future where woman is now doing it, bro. All these man jobs, all these music playing, which is supposed to be done by men, they are now being played by women, bro. And it is a lot of level up, right? Somewhere in this unclear day, you and I, we all know this for sure. Yeah. Bars, bro. All of them are really beautiful. But look at this, right? Beauty doesn't stop a person from work. Beauty doesn't hinder a man from making money, right? Beautification isn't gonna put food on your table. So it is best just go as hard as you can, because you can be pretty and have nothing, while you can be so ugly and have everything. So looks doesn't matter, bro. And what I'm seeing thus far, these women are really beautiful, right? Very much beautiful. Bro. And they all look so cute, much more as beautiful as we think they are, bro. Look at them. Look at her in this white dress, right? Look at her in this white dress. This should be a wedding dress or some form of casual clothes wearing type of situation, but she doesn't wear the dress for that. She wear the dress for her musical career, bro. No, how beautiful can that be, right? How great is that, bro? I would pay any amount of cash to go see this woman perform anywhere, bro. But unfortunately, I can't because I'm in Jamaica. It's so sad. But I'm enjoying myself, bro. I'm enjoying myself. This is what I call entertainment, right? I pay my money to see them entertain me. But regardless of that, I'm enjoying the moment now, bro, because this is way much cooler than I think, especially from women. They are all women, bro. Oh, sick. Yo, yo, bro. Yo, woman, damn. They are totally unbelievable, bro. I never heard such amazing thing. Like, this is mind blowing. How cold these women are, right? Differently from music. Because What they are doing now, it's a man's job. And I could see that they are clearly taking every credit from these men who play drums, bro. Because ain't no freaking way they are so cool with this, bro. Yo, that's crazy, bro. Crazy, bro. They are crazily good. Yo, you ladies are really such cool people. Really cool of y'all. Trust me on that. As a Jamaican, I approve this. We stand for stunning. Absolutely stunning. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That was really good, ladies. You ladies killed it. So subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.